Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the security tricks on the REALME 14. Okay, so let's begin. Let's open up our settings first. Now let's scroll down a little bit until we find the security and privacy. Now let's wait a little bit and we will perform the device scan. Okay, now we have that possibility. Let's click. Once again, the phone now is checking the device settings. Is it okay? Okay, as you can see, it looks good. And no issues found. Okay, below we have the app security. Let's click on that. Click on Google Play Protect. And in here we can also perform a simple scan. So let's wait until it's finished. Okay, no harmful apps found, so that's good to hear. Below we have the device unlock, and let's begin with the screen lock. Okay, in here you can select the numeric, alphanumeric, or the pattern as your password. And below you can also disable or enable to show track while you draw the pattern. Okay, so I'm gonna show you an example how the pattern works. I need to draw my old one, and for now I'll draw a different one to show you. Okay, so you need to draw it twice to save it, and please don't forget your pattern, otherwise you won't be able to unlock your phone and you will be forced to reset your phone. Alright, we can also set the fingerprint or the face unlock. Alright, for now I'm gonna delete my previous fingerprints. Okay, let's click on add. Click on add now. And now we need to place our our finger inside of that circle, and when we will feel a little vibration, we need to lift up our finger and then place it again. Okay, and now we need to repeat this process until our fingerprint will be saved. So it's gonna take a few tries. We just need to keep repeating. Okay, we are almost done. Okay, click on done. And now it's set. Okay, so now let's see how this works. Let's begin with the pattern. Okay, the phone is unlocked. Now let's try with the finger. It also works pretty nice. Okay, let's go into the settings. Also, if you want, you can enable the face unlock. Click on add now. And now all you need to do is to place your face inside of that frame. And then it will be saved. Just follow the instruction on the screen. You can also enable the theft protection. So you can enable the theft detection lock, offline device lock. You can read what those options does right here. In my opinion, it's good to have them enabled. Okay, then we have the remote lock. You can also enable it. And here also you can read how this works. So when the remote lock is on, you can lock your device remotely if it gets lost or stolen. Okay, now we have also find and erase my device. You can enable that option. So if you lose this device or any connected fastware accessories, you can use find my device to locate them. You can click on learn more about find my device. You can use the app or the website. You can also enable to find your offline devices. You can click with network in high traffic areas only, or with network in all areas. Currently it's on the off. Okay, now we have the account security. Click on Google Security Checkup. Now let's wait. And as you can see, everything is fine. We don't need to perform any action. We also have the password checkup. Okay, so we don't have no compromised passwords. Your passwords are unique and your passwords are strong. So it's always good to check if we don't repeat some of the passwords, because that might increase the chance that someone will get into our data or, I don't know, unlocks our phone and run with it. So from time to time you can check, is everything fine? Okay, I have shown you the device finders, and now let's click on System and Updates. In here, click on Security Update. Click on Check for Updates. Now it's gonna take a few seconds. Okay, so as you can see, my system is up to date, so I don't need to perform any action. But if you will have possibility to download, simply click on somewhere right in here, and you will have option to install. Okay, also we have the Google Play System Update. Let's also check if there are some possibilities to download. And also my device is up to date, so I don't need to download. Okay, then we have the privacy controls. You can disable right in here to show the passwords, display characters briefly as you type, but it's completely up to you. Okay, we also have the app lock and hide apps. So when you click on app lock, I need to first type my privacy password. You will have that option to set it once you click on that first time. And here enable use the privacy password to access locked apps. So now, when I will click on Chrome, for example, click on use, when I will want to open the app, but first I need to find it. Okay, Chrome, and now I need to verify with my fingerprint or with the privacy password, and then, and only then, I have access and possibility to even open the app. So it's also a cool feature in my opinion. You can also hide some of the apps. Okay, again type your password, and here simply select one of these apps. In here you can also read how this works. So hidden apps will not appear on the home screen, in the notification drawer, or in recent tasks. You can access hidden apps by entering the access code on the dial pad or by tapping the hide apps icon on the home screen. Apps marked invisible can be hidden as if they have been uninstalled. Okay, and the last thing is the private safe. Again, type your password. And you can go, for example, the audio, and here add some images and videos. Sorry, I entered the images and videos. And you can basically, in here you can add some of the apps or your documents that you want to protect. Okay, now also we can enable the phone manager and click on viruses and risks. We can click on scan again. It's gonna take a little bit, so let's be patient. But at least we will have the confirmation that our device is safe. Okay, we are almost at 50%. Now it's scanning some of the apps. Now it's scanning the phone storage. Okay, and now we have 100%. Alright, also from the Play Store, if you click on that, in here you can download some third-party apps, such as Avast, for example. And those antiviruses app will always help you with keeping away the viruses from your phone. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.